Where to store this soap? Hey makers, welcome back to SP3D. In this video, I'm excited to share my custom DIY soap holder designed in freecad and 3D printed with my bambulab X1C. It's sleek, practical, and super easy to make. Let's dive in. The DIY soap holder consists of only three main parts. The first one is the grate. On this part, the soap will sit, and from the small holes, the water can pass to the next part. The bottom part, which is the second part. The third part is the lid. On the top surface of the lid, as you can see, it writes soap holder. Let's put all the parts in place to see how the soap holder looks like. Let's put the soap in its case. Since the soap case closes, it is clear that the case can easily serve both for travel and for home use. And here we have two variants regarding the printing colors of the soap holder I have designed. Now at freecad, let's take a look to the design. I use Sketch to design each part super aptly. Then I turn them to bodies one by one. Let's take a look through it. Each piece is clearly visible. At the end, I exported to STL file so I can load my design at the slicer I use, Bamboo Studio. Now at Bamboo Studio, I will explain you in a few words the configuration I use. 0.2 millimeter layer height. Ironing with 30% ironing float. At wall generator, I used Arachne. Outer walls printed first. Avoid crossing wall. And time-lapse smooth. The time-lapse you saw in the beginning of this video. For the DIY soap holder, I used 3 different bamboo PLA wood filament. It's the first time I used, and I believe I made a very good choice. 3. In case you like my DIY soap holder and you want to 3D print it, you can download the STL file from my account at makerworld.com/SP3D. The link can be found at the description box of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video with my DIY soap holder. If you found it helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment with your thoughts. Your support means a lot.